Here we go. It's gonna be an exciting adventure. Alright, I'm gonna go to this side over here. Watch out, the pricking, the pricking stick. Yeah, it's floating, so if we don't wait too long. Oops, he's sinking, man. Yeah, that's the pricking stick. I'm gonna go at this side. Oh. Lucky I can hold me on the grass over here. Right. Yeah, my bag is in the way here. Alright, hold on guys, hope that we're not gonna make a flip. Here we go. Oh. Oh.
Eerst eens proberen voor die 20 keer te zijn. Voel je nou aan?
Yeah. We got the pricking stick back. We got in total 3 pieces. Probably we're not gonna use them all. It's not gonna be so deep.
Oh, was
now it's yeah, it's gonna stink.
Oh, Chanel 5.
Wow, man, it stinks. Stinks so much. Oh,
Ja!
Die zitten erin.
yeah, somebody give me my stick. I'm gonna check it out, guys. Probably isn't. Woohoo! Look, I can use one stick
Oh,
this time. It's not so. Look at this now. It's much better, eh? No squirting anymore. I'm still gonna put the other piece on. Where's the other piece?
hier naast. Dat is een mooi stuk gravel.
We don't need 3 pieces. 2 pieces is gonna be enough. Hoppa. Alright guys, we just arrived just next to the fort over here. As you can see, the fort used to be right over there. And we started already with pricking into the silt over here, and I got something stuck here. No idea what it is. There is a lot of silt inside. I'm not sure if it's gonna hang at the magnet.
Yeah, it is.
Whoa.
I think it's a detonator.
Hold on guys, I'm gonna try to clean it a little bit.
Now you lose it.
No. Wow, what the heck?
Yeah, it's definitely.
Yeah, World War.
Yeah, definitely.
It looks like some kind of grenade.
Yeah,
Like I say, a detonator. Ignition or something.
Yeah.
Wow. Glad to find something like this. So I'm excited, man.
Yeah, it makes me wonder what else we're gonna find over here.
Yep. This is just the beginning and we find already something like this. Okay, you'd have to get off the magnet.
Yeah.
That's gonna be another issue. Just make sure that it's not gonna explode. I'm not scared of bombs and that kind of stuff, but if we're gonna find grenades, if it's gonna be emergency, I jump in the water, guys. I'm not gonna take the risk that something gonna explode.
Yeah, it's very damaged, so I don't think it's gonna.
Well, you never know. Here we go. Look, there's a lot of silt inside. What the heck? This, whoa, that's the top of a bomb. I think.
Yeah.
Try to figure out from what kind of bomb it is. It is a top with an ignition, that's for sure. See?
Yeah.
That's gonna be the ignition. Whoa, this is what we want to find, guys. Yep.
Oh my
What the heck?
Oh my god.
What is this?
Is that a cannonball? Or something? Or is it also a top of a bomb?
No idea.
It's hard to tell in this
Yes.
condition.
But it's...
I think it's cannonball, bro.
Wow.
Yeah, I hope so, because we are located just next to a fort of 500-year-old. So that should be amazing, guys.
Yeah, I think it is. But I
Woohoo! Yeah,
think
oh my
there's
god.
something else stuck to it.
Yeah. It definitely looked like a cannonball. Hold on. Can I see it? Because I just noticed something. See? I see this right over here.
Yeah.
Some kind of cannonballs just have in the middle a stripe.
Means there's explosive inside.
Yeah, probably. That could be. We have to check it out.
Yeah.
But we're gonna take it
I'm
with.
gonna give it to Stefan.
Yeah, we're
to
gonna
clean
put it in the bucket. Wow.
Ah, lekker.
Yeah, but did. Eh?
Laten vallen. Hier ergens moet dat liggen. Hier door.
Yeah, I hope we're gonna find it back.
Daar moet dat liggen.
What you do, man? Oh yeah, I think I got it back. Oh, here we go again. Oh my god, you! All those things get so stuck in. Yeah, I think I got it.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh my god!
Yeah. That's a big one.
That's a bomb, guys. Woohoo! Our first bomb of the day. Oh, check it out. Alright, we're gonna put it here at the other side because I don't think it cannot explode anymore because the top is gone, eh? So I'm gonna give it a whip. Ah, man, it's so heavy. Oppa! What the heck is this, man? Anyone idea?
It's too thin to be a turret plate.
Yeah.
Some kind of protection for a gun or something.
Yeah.
It does have a very interesting shape of holes in it.
Ook van een invite van mijn nerfing.
Oppa! This is how we do it.
Voor een stuk.
A piece of the fort or maybe a piece from the farmer. No idea. I only know all those things that we get out are pretty old, that's for sure. Maybe you can use it for a heavy weight or something.
Yeah, but
Fitness.
it's not that heavy and it weighs differently on both sides.
Ah, it's getting a mosquito in my ear here. Ah, pfft. Okay, somebody take it off. Oh, so strong are those magnets. Oh. What an adventure again. Oh my god. Oh, don't watch out for my boat.
Oh my god, that is a heavy thing, man.
Oh. Let's hope that the farmer is not gonna find us. Yeah, you never know.
Hold us here out.
Well, we are allowed to go on this canal, that's not a problem, but you never know, farmers can be very irritating. Alright, we are just finished with our live stream. we got something out live. And look what we just have found. It looked like a drum from a machine gun. We have no idea, guys. It looks like there are a lot of holes inside.
Yeah.
On the other side, check it out. Put it in the comments down below, your opinion, what it could be.
Like Stefan says, it could be something for the ventilation inside the bunkers.
Yeah, maybe. Oh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put it at the side now. When we are coming back, we're gonna do everything away, of course. Oh. But guys, check it out. Check it out right there. Hey,
Holy shit.
this is not from us, guys. Oh. Oh my god, it's gone again. We're not gonna take it out anymore. Oh. It looked like somebody else have coming over here for magnet fishing. Somebody pull it out, eh?
Yeah, when they were cutting the grass probably.
Yeah. That's a live one, guys. Check it out. Oh my god. It looks like the same one what we have found
Before.
But this one does have the ignition on. So wow, nice, man. But it looks like they have closed some part over here.
Yeah, it's like a little bridge to cross over.
Yeah, for the cows, eh? Or something.
Or for the farmer or something.
Yeah. What?
The boat is looking a little bit dirty.
Yeah, I have to clean it again tomorrow.
It's gonna be again a whole afternoon to clean it.
Yep.
We're not gonna sleep tonight. He gonna work on the boat.
No, tomorrow. I'm not gonna do it this evening anymore because it looks like with a couple hours it's started to get dark. I'm not even sure if we're gonna make it back on time before it's gonna be dark, man. Otherwise it's gonna be an adventure in the dark. And I forgot my big light, of course. So I got my little light, but I only can use this one for 1 hour.
And it took us almost 2 hours to get here.
Yeah. Alright guys, it looked like the other side has been cleaned up. How sad it is. So we decided to just go back before it's gonna be dark and have a second chance to look if we can find something. Look, and I think I find already something. I just put it inside. Got something stuck, man.
Huh? Wow.
What the heck?
That's a mortar shell that has exploded.
Really?
Yeah. You can definitely tell it has been exploded.
Watch out for the boat, guys, that we not...
Yeah.
Wow.
Definitely a mortar shell. And it has been exploded.
This looks like a nice artifact, eh?
Yeah, it's
Look at the
very
shape
nice
of
one.
it.
We also
That's
have the conical shape.
Yeah, that's a keeper.
Yeah, especially because it's completely empty.
Yeah. Alright, we just got something else over here. Whoppa! Another bomb, guys. No top anymore. So it cannot explode anymore. Oh, fuck. The head cam, guys, the battery is finished. We don't have time to charge it. I have my power banks with, but it takes too much time for charging it. We're gonna film it with the other camera now, and we do have something over here.
Yeah.
Yo. And another bomb. It is a bomb day today. Alright. Stefan gonna take it, I think. Oh, the boat almost flipped. No. and I almost cannot anymore. My battery is finished. I mean my battery. Same my camera. Oh. How many did we find already? Oh, yo, bro, that's a beautiful one, man. Look the condition of this one, Stefan. That's a beautiful one. Watch out for the camera. It's magnetic field. Hey, come on. My knee. Oh, the stick hit my knee. Oh, the journey is finished, guys.
Magnet fishing goes wrong. Got injured.
No reverse thing.
Bingo. Bing. Mr. Bean. Bingo. That's gonna probably one of those bombs again. We. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yo, this one is pretty heavy. I think this one have a top. Yeah, I think this one is alive. Yes, and also I cannot hold it. It's not same like the other one. So probably this one gonna be a live one. Yeah, I'm gonna put it outside. Very carefully. Oh my god. Here we go. All right. Oh. Alright guys, we're gonna end up this video here. I hope you enjoyed. We found a lot of bombs, too many, that we actually didn't show them all on the camera.
There was not enough battery to show them all, so
yeah, one camera was running out, and yeah, for the rest, all the other bombs, all the same ones. I didn't show it on the camera, but one thing is very beautiful find of the day, guys, and that's, oh, it gets stuck on the magnet already. And there is something attached to it, no idea what, but
if I just knock it on the corner, just where the two pieces meet, and it should break off in one clean piece. Here we go.
wow, just look at this.
Yeah, it's definitely a cannonball.
It's a cannonball, yeah.
Wow.
Amazing, huh? Incredible find. This is the most beautiful find that we have found in this little canal over there from the fort. Huh?
Yeah.
So it could be that this cannonball is 500 years old.
Yeah.
Spanish.
Nice, huh?
Yeah, it's a very nice one.
Alright, that's it, guys. We're gonna end a bit right now before it's gonna get dark over here. I hope you enjoyed. If you are new, make sure you sub to my channel, put the bell notifications on, then you get notified when I upload a new video. Checking out the social media links in the description. Say bye bye guys to Dennis, say bye bye to Stefan, and then we'll see you on our next adventure. Bye.